guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because we are going to be doing her
Stitch Fix unboxing.
So this is Ashlynn's 5th box, and for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. A stylist for adults will pick 5 items, but for children they pick
10 items.
10 items. So we are going to see what she got. We requested some fall items to get her ready for the cooler season. So we're going to go ahead and get right into her box. First things first, let me go ahead and take care of a few things. You get this prepaid envelope to return anything or exchange anything that doesn't fit. We get her style card and we get the price invoice sheet, which I'm going to put to the side for right now. I am going to go ahead and read her stylist note real quick to see what she said. And she says, "Hi Ashlynn, happy October fix. I heard you're ready for the fall and packed today's box full of comfy outfits to keep you warm and cozy. Add a dose of magic into your day with this sequence unicorn zip-up hoodie and the unicorn and rainbow printed dress. Mix and match the hoodie with all of today's long sleeve tops, then add either pair of leggings. The stars change color when you flip the sequins, or go warmer with these skinny jeans. As for the multicolored dress, layer on this waterfall cardigan. Isn't the Hacci knit also soft? I love it and hope you do too. Combine it with the striped dress as well for a cute church look. Ask your mom to let me know what you think of everything as she checks out. Enjoy, Erica." So Ashlynn has no idea what's in her box. She wanted it to be a what?
Surprise.
A surprise. So there are some stickers here. We're going to go ahead and put those to the side.
I can
And you want, which one of these bundles do you want to start with?
I'm going to start with this one.
Okay, then start with
So
that
I
one.
see something through it.
You see something through it, huh?
Yes. So this is this side.
Lots of colors.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Ooh.
All right.
What is this?
So first you
It's
have,
a shirt.
let's see what it says. It says, "Love is the answer."
Love is the
I'll hold that
answer.
up right there. And this is by RUMI and RYDER. So that's really soft and cute. Do you like the purple color? Yeah? Okay. Next.
We have the unicorn jacket she was talking about.
Ooh, that's really cute. You like sparkles and unicorn jacket. That'll be good for fall. So it looks like that. Very cute and sparkly. And Ashlynn loves unicorns. So that's cute. What's next?
We have a dress with unicorns all over it and some little stars and rainbows.
That feels comfy, soft. It's a navy blue dress. It's got this holographic and glittery look of rainbows and unicorns and stars. That would be good with a cute pair of leggings. You could wear it with your pink leggings that you got in a previous box. So that's cute. Okay, what's next?
We've got some leggings, I think.
It looks like a dark charcoal legging. Oh, they have like the ruching on the side. You see how they bunch up on the side? Yeah, those are cute. We like leggings because they're super comfortable and they have that little ruching on the side. And that looks like that'll be good to wear.
The next thing is...
Oh, those are those little leggings she was talking
Yeah,
about.
the star changed colors. Let's see what they changed color to. Ooh, a nice little pink.
So one side has got like this gold and silver star, but when you flip it over, it's like a pinkish color star.
Yeah.
And these are really super stretchy and soft. Yeah, those are cute. And they're black and they just have those cute little stars. You like that? You ready for your second bundle? What do you think about the first bundle so far?
Good.
Really good. Okay, good.
This is the first part, and here's the second side.
Ooh, that's some really soft stuff right there.
Yeah, it feels really soft.
We like soft and comfy, don't we?
Yeah. So I'm gonna get right into this bundle. So the first thing that I have is a little shirt with a knot. It's kind of like brown.
It's like a
whitish.
heathered black and white mix, and it's got that little knot on the top. Ooh, feel how soft that is.
Yeah, that feels really soft.
You like the little knot tie fronts, don't
And this
you?
will be really comfy for like school and fall.
Let me read the tag. It says, RUMI and RYDER, the long sleeve Hacci side twist top in dark gray is what they're calling it, but it's like a black and white mix.
The next thing is like a
Oh, this is the cardigan.
cardigan
Yep. So it's
with long sleeves. So I think that might fit me.
and this one is a really nice light pink. It's got that heathered look to it too, and it's got that waterfall front. This would be good to put over a lot of her dresses for church. And that's cute. Feel how soft that is.
It feels really soft. Next we have a little gray shirt.
Just a plain little heathered gray shirt, and it's got this like little ruffle kind of detail on the bottom, and it's a little longer in the back. Very stretchy, very soft and comfortable. What do you think about that?
I think that it looks really cute. This one is a dress with like kind of half of the sleeve, and there's little pouches on the back.
Oh, it's
of the
got little
elbow.
elbow patches. Aren't those cute?
Yeah, I just caught that.
Yeah, so this is a little striped dress, and it's got this little pink tie. So it's got like this suede trim. It looks like it's a navy blue and white, and then they have these cute little pink suede elbow patches, and like she said, it's got a short like a 3/4 length sleeve, it looks like.
Yeah.
And then it's just got this rounded little hem. That's really cute, and that would be cute with that cardigan, I bet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last, we have the skinny jeans I think she was talking about.
Yeah, skinny jeans, and they're a dark color. Let's see, they feel pretty stretchy.
Yeah.
Ashlyn's she's not a big fan of wearing jeans unless they're comfortable. So they have a really nice dark wash. They are skinny legs, so you see the fitted bottom there. We'll see how you like those. You might not like those. We'll try them and see, okay?
I think they look really cute. So I
You like them?
Yeah.
All right, so I guess now we're on to the
Try on.
and we'll be right back. All right, so we are back with the first two pieces of clothing, and the first thing she has on are these dark gray ruched ankle leggings by RUMI and RYDER, and then she has on the Sophia and Zeke amber shift dress. And Ashlynn, tell them what you think.
I think this is a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, and the dress is really comfortable inside the pants, and I think I give this one 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, this is the one that has the little elbow patches. She does say that the elbow patches don't necessarily hit right at her elbow, but they're still cute. They're just a little extra decoration, so we think we like that. So we say 2 thumbs up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we forgot that she suggested that we put this cardigan with it, and this is the Truly Belinda Waterfall cardigan in light pink, and she put it over top of the dress. And what do you think about that cardigan?
I think it is really comfy, and I think it's really cute with this outfit.
I think we're gonna keep that one.
Mhm.
It is really soft, isn't it?
Mhm.
All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, we are back with the next dress, and this is the Flapdoodles Marta knit skater dress in navy, and it's really shiny and sparkly. Ashlynn, what do you think about that one?
I think it is really comfy, and I think it's really cute. I think this would go with the cardigan.
It looks really comfy and stretchy, and it has a nice long length that comes down to the knee. So we are going to try it on with the cardigan, so we'll be right back. All right, so we are back, and she has put on the cardigan with the dress. And what do you think, Ashlynn?
I think they go good together, and I think this looks really cute together.
Yeah, so we think it looks really cute. She said she looks like a teacher. So we think this one is a 2 thumbs up as well?
Yes.
All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, so we are back with the next top, and she left on the dark gray leggings, but she has on this light gray RUMI and RYDER, the long sleeve peplum top, and it has that cute little ruffle detail at the bottom, and it's super soft. And Ashlynn, what do you think about that top?
I think it's really comfy, and it's softer than all of the stuff that I have, and I think this one is really cute. Yeah, I give this 2 thumbs up.
All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, we are back with the next outfit, and Ashlynn has on these black fleece line leggings, and then she has on the Hacci side knot top by RUMI and RYDER. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think it looks really cute, and I think they are really comfy, and I think these would be great for school. Yeah, I think this is 2 thumbs up.
These little pants have the little stars that turn different colors, and so you can put it up or you can put it down. So down is the gold and the silver, and then putting it up makes it like a pink color. So that's really cute, very comfortable. So 2 thumbs up?
Yes.
All right, we'll be back.
With the next outfit.
All right, we are back with the next outfit, and Ashlynn has on the jeans and the baseball t-shirt. And what do you think, Ashlynn?
I think this combination is really cute. I give it 2 thumbs up, and
the jeans are super stretchy. I was worried she wouldn't like them, but they are almost like a legging. They're so stretchy. So they're skinny, but they have a ton of stretch to them, so they're pretty comfortable to her, aren't they? All right, so we're gonna put on the jacket with this top and these jeans, and we'll be right back. So we are back with this final piece, and it is this Third Wish Clothing Nyla graphic hoodie in mint, and it is the most expensive thing in the box. Ashlynn, what do you think about that hoodie?
I think it's really cute, and I think it goes really good with this top that I have underneath. It's really cute. I love unicorns.
It fits her, but I wonder if we shouldn't size up to a large, so we're gonna check to see if they have a large available, but we love it either way, don't we, Ashlynn? All right, guys, we'll be back with a wrap up and prices. All right, so I'm back to do the recap, and my sidekick has left me. So I'm gonna start with what she got in her box. The first thing was the graphic hoodie by Third Wish Clothing, and it was $26. She really liked it. The one thing I was concerned about was making sure we maybe size up just to get her a bigger size so she can wear it for more than 1 year. The next was the RUMI and RYDER long sleeve baseball top, and that was $16, and that fit really well, and she seemed to really like that, so we're gonna probably keep that. The next item was the Flapdoodles Marta knit skater dress in navy, and that was this dress with the sparkly unicorns, and it was $24, and that was really comfortable and stretchy. Next, we had the RUMI and RYDER Nora Ruched ankle legging in dark gray, and those are $12, and we love these leggings, so we'll be keeping those. Next was the Capelli New York Daphnie fleece lined legging in black, and these are the cheapest thing in the box, and they are $12. Next was the Sophia and Zeke amber shift dress, the one in navy with the pink elbow patches, and it was $24, and she loved that one. Next is the truly Belinda Waterfall cardigan in light pink, and it is $22, and it is super soft, and she really liked wearing that. I was quite surprised about these jeans. They are the Celebrity Pink Haley Skinny Jean in Indigo, and they were $24, and she really ended up liking them because they have a ton of stretch in them, so they're perfect. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the long sleeve Hacci side knot top in dark gray, and that was this top right here, which is super soft, and it is $18, very comfortable, fits perfectly. And the last item in her box was the RUMI and RYDER, the long sleeve Peplum top in light gray, and that was this one that had the ruffled bottom, and it is $18, and it is super soft too. So the stylist pick subtotal was $196. If we keep all of the items, we get a 25% discount, which takes off $49. Our order subtotal was $147. You take off the $20 styling fee, purchase credit, and so shipping is free, and the order total would be $127, which I don't think is bad for as many pairs of pants and shirts and dresses and even a jacket that was in the box. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, please feel free to leave that in the comments below. I'll leave our referral link. I think I still have a referral link that might be good for $50 off your first box. If not, it'll be a $25 link. But until next time, bye guys.